Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well and feeling good. Today is another day of learning. It's Wednesday, the 29th of April. All right, today is another good and light day of learning, so hopefully it will be easy on us and you will enjoy this day. All right. Today, lesson number one. I hope everyone saved those timetables. Today's first lesson is maths. In maths, you're going to be learning. You're going to continue learning about bar graphs, and you're going to be putting data into bar graphs, creating bar graphs. There is no need to submit anything on ClassDojo. All right, your second lesson will be social studies. The social studies will take you to Alaska in the US, to a city. I can't remember the name now, but it will take you to a city and you will just need to draw and write a little bit about what would you take with you if you traveled there for a week during summer months. All right, then we have break time. Then guys, it's music and then art. And the last lesson would be Arabic A, Arabic B, or PSE, those who have it with me. In PSE, we are going to be talking about opportunities and chances that we get in life and how we should look for them and what we should do when we have these opportunities. So that's a really nice topic. All right, great. Yeah, so basically, our riddle from yesterday. Uh, Let me see how many replies I got. I got 19 comments, which is really good, which is 2/3 of the class. However, I wish I saw comments from everyone, but that's okay. Right. So our riddle was, you bought me for dinner, but never eat me. What am I? The correct answer is cutlery. What is cutlery? Cutlery is anything from spoon through fork to knife, small spoon, anything that we use for helping us eat, okay? So most of you did mention different cutlery. We have Amina, she said plates, knife, spoon, so knife, spoons, cutlery. Also plate, absolutely right answer. Celine also mentioned plate. Okay, Anahita mentioned water because we drink it, we don't eat it. That's absolutely correct too. Plates, water, utensils. Mohammed, yes, absolutely correct. Spoon, fork, plate, water, cutlery. Um, yes, so most of you got it right. Dishes, yes, absolutely. Dishes, we buy that for dinner, but we never actually eat it, but we eat from it. Glass, Ira. Yes, absolutely. We also use glass for dinner, but we never eat it, right? We just use it to drink from. All right, I'm very happy with those answers. Thank you so much. And today, as usual, I'm going to give you another riddle. Okay, right. Listen to this carefully. A boy and his father get into a car accident. When they arrive at the hospital, the doctor sees the boy and exclaims, "That's my son! How can this be?" All right, once again, I'm going to say it slower. A boy and his father get into a car accident. When they arrive at the hospital, the doctor sees the boy and exclaims, "That's my son!" How is this possible, guys? Please leave me answers in the comments below. Looking forward to seeing them. And today I decided to finish with facts about animals, and I would like to read out facts about space. All right, so sit back and listen to this if you like space. All right, so the sun is over 300,000 times larger than Earth. Okay, can you imagine? Like Earth is massive and the sun is as if imagine 300,000 Earths together. That's can't even imagine the size. All right. Um, Halley's comet was last seen In the inner solar system in 1986. It will be visible again from Earth sometime in 2061. Get your camera ready, okay? Venus is the hottest planet on our solar system with a surface temperature of over 450 degrees Celsius. All right, the solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago. The Moon appears to have more craters and scars than Earth because it has a lot less natural activity going on. The Earth is constantly reforming its surface through earthquakes, erosion, rain, wind, and plants growing on the surface, while the Moon has very little weather to alter its appearance. All right, Saturn isn't the only ringed planet. Other gas giants such as Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings. They are just less obvious. We can't see them that well. Footprints and tire tracks left behind by astronauts on the Moon will stay there forever as there is no wind to blow them away. In 2006, astronomers changed the definition of a planet. This means that Pluto is now referred to as dwarf planet. All right, because of lower gravity, a person who weighs 200 pounds or around 100 kilos on Earth would only weigh 76 pounds on the surface of Mars. So someone who weighs 100 kilograms would weigh less than that on Mars. How is that possible? Gravity is a force that pulls us towards the ground. So when you actually stand on scales, this force pulls you down, right? So a number appears on the scales, and this is your weight. But on the Moon, the gravity force is not pulling you down towards the surface as strong as on planet Earth. So that's why you don't float a little bit, but you feel much lighter in general because there's not so much force pulling you towards the surface. Okay, the only planet that rotates on its side like a barrel is Uranus. The only planet that spins backwards relative to the others is Venus. Some of the fastest meteoroids can travel through the solar system at a speed of around 42 kilometers per second, which is tremendously fast, can't even imagine. The first man-made object sent into space was in 1957 when the Russian satellite named Sputnik was launched. Jupiter's four biggest moons are named Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, and Io. It is because of the sun and the moon's gravity that we have high and low tides. So if you remember, we talked about tides in social studies, in geography. Tide is, for example, in the morning when you're at the beach, you will find that the sea is kind of really close, okay? But as the day advances and towards the end of the day, you will find that the water is much further away. This is called tide. And if you remember, this is due to the moon and sun as well. Yeah, and that's it. That's interesting facts about space. I'm going to pick one planet each day, and I'm going to try to read out some interesting facts about planets. I do hope you will enjoy that. I hope people enjoy space and space facts. So anyway, see you on Teams at 1:30 and have a great and easy day. See you.